Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. Today's video is going to be another planning video, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how my planner is currently organized. Before we jump into it though, I did want to do a quick disclaimer. So here's my disclaimer. My planner is a completely customizable planner. So this means that I can adjust and change my planner very often, and I usually do. Every single month, I will evaluate where my planner is and I will adjust it and move it around as I need to. And I wanted to put that out there because I know somebody may watch a video that's a month old or 2 months old and ask me about a particular setup that I have in my planner, but it may not look exactly as I have my planner right this very second because I adjust it so often based on what I need in my life. So I did want to put that out there so that when I show you this planner, you completely understand that I will adjust it from time to time and make changes. Now that I've said that, let me show you what it is currently looking like. There are 2 ways that I can organize my planner. The first way that I will organize my planner is by activity. Sometimes I will organize it by what I have to do, where I need to be, and it is a bunch of activities on my tabs. But currently though, I have it organized by subject. So let's talk about the subjects that I currently have in my planner. The first one is my schedule. So this is my weekly schedule that I will usually use. This is my catch-all planner, which means that everything that I need, this is the hub. This is the overview for every area in my life. This is the planner that I'm going to open to and see what I need to do, where I need to be, what time I need to be there. It is the hub of everything. It doesn't go into as many details as all of the other planners. That's why I need them, but it gives me a really solid overview of my entire week and what I need to complete during that week. And every other tab in this planner works with my catch-all planner. So usually if I look here and I see that I need to film and I know that I have blocked off about 2 or 3 hours for filming, when I go to my work tab, then I am able to see what exactly I need to film. So I have my YouTube filming and what I need to do here, anything that I need to film for Instagram here, and any additional tasks that I need to do here. So this allows me to not have every single thing on this particular spread. Like sometimes I will be able to add a couple of things here, but for the most part, this is where I can flip and be able to see anything that I need to do that is work related, and I know the time slots that I have to do it. So I am mainly looking at this for the time frame that I have, and then I will look here to see exactly what I need to do. So this is my work planner, which is a vertical planner that I will use in order to help me to stay on top of all of the details for work. And I have the same style for my personal planner. So for my personal planner, it's the same concept, but instead we are talking about all of the personal activities, home activities, workouts, health related things. All of that is going to go into my personal planner. After that, I also have my faith planner, which is also what I would use for church and just keeping up with my Bible study and my scripture study and anything else that's kind of coming up that is faith related, I will add into here. So sometimes I will do daily scripture readings. I will do commentary studies. I just read different things or scriptures that I want to remember and I want to be able to document within my faith planner. So that is how I use this one. This one is a horizontal planner, but once again, it is another subject. So all of these subjects, my faith, my personal, my work, are additional details that go along with my catch-all planner. So my catch-all planner will tell me what time I need to be doing scripture study, but this is the actual scripture study within my faith planner. And the last 2 tabs in here are my budget planner and also my reading tracker. And this is where I will just keep up with the different things that I am reading. I do need to add in here Think and Grow Rich, which is the current book that I am reading. But as you can see, the entire planner is organized by subject. I have done activities in the past, and I will link a video where I share the difference between the two and how you can decide how you're going to organize your planner. But I love organizing my planner either by activity or subject. It is currently organized by subject, and it is currently working for me. And if I do feel like I need to have everything all in one section again, then I will adjust my planner. But for now, we are loving this particular setup, and I just wanted to share with you how it is currently set up. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.